Have you ever messed up your gray hair so badly that you worried you'd never get it back to normal again? If you said yes, you're definitely not alone. That's exactly what happened to me recently when I tested some viral gray hair products without doing my due diligence first, as I shared in my most recent video. It's been almost 2 weeks now, and my hair has felt off ever since. Instead of quietly trying to fix it on my own, I thought I'd bring you with me along for the ride as I attempt to repair my hair by using my favorite gray hair remedy, the QuickSilverHair Clay Mask. This mask usually brings my hair right back to normal, or even better than normal. But honestly, this time I'm not even sure if it will work, and I say that because nothing I have tried in the past 2 weeks has worked. So why don't we find out together? Today's video is going to be a bit more casual than usual. It'll be more of a come along with me while I try to fix the mess I made kind of video. Before we get started, I just want to share with you a little bit about what happened in case you hadn't seen that earlier video. Ever since I tried the Just Nutritive Gray Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, which I now know were not correct for my hair type at all, my hair has felt staticky. It's felt limp and lifeless, and I just can't get it to do anything. It just sits there. Testing products is part of the fun of being a gray hair blogger, but sometimes my hair just says no thank you and lets me know in no uncertain terms that it's not happy. That's why I always keep the QuickSilverHair Clay Kit on hand. It's the perfect remedy for when I've messed up my hair, which happens more often than you might think. My friend Jolie Campbell created it, and ever since I started using it about 8 years ago, it is my #1 favorite gray hair product. And no, I am not affiliated with it in any way except just as a big fan. I love it. If all goes as usual today, what should happen is that it should remove any impurities or product buildup from my hair, which will also help brighten it, and it should also help my hair get soft and lovely again, which it used to be before I messed it up with these other products. So let's find out if it works. All you have to do is mix the following 3 items into a bowl. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of QuickSilverHair clay. I usually use a little more because my hair is longer. 3 to 4 pumps of QuickSilverHair squalane oil or a clear oil of your choice, and enough silicone-free conditioner to make a frosting-like consistency. This is the consistency I usually go for. It's pretty smooth and it's thick, like frosting. Ta-da! Welcome to my bathroom. After I have mixed up the mask, then I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo that's silicone-free. In this case, it's the Acure Clarifying Shampoo. After I wash my hair with the clarifying shampoo, I'm going to rinse it all out, and then I'm going to apply the mask. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm out. My hair is clean, and I usually do put on the mask in the shower, but just so I can show you how I do it, here's how I do it. I literally just glop it on and make sure it's all thoroughly mixed up, and then I just pile it onto the top of my head, and then I put on a shower cap. Now I'm going to set a timer for 40 minutes, which is the maximum amount of time that you're supposed to use the mask. So I'll see you in 40 minutes. While this sits, just a quick reminder. If you haven't already done so, you should sign up for my weekly newsletter. That's where I share all of my gray hair knowledge, such as behind-the-scenes experiments, product reviews, sales, helpful resources and inspiration, and all the stuff that I don't get a chance to put on YouTube. It's completely free, and I'll link it below in case you want to sign up. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. I'm going to rinse my hair out. I could use shampoo if I wanted to, but I don't usually need to. It usually comes right out. And then I'm going to style it like usual. See you then. Ta-da! Well, I'm sorry I ever doubted it because it totally worked. My hair feels so much better. It feels better than it has in weeks since I first tried that other product. It has movement, it's shiny, it's smooth again, and the main thing is it just doesn't feel weighed down. It's not looking greasy or dirty, and it's not staticky. It's back to being moisturized, clean feeling, and it's a little brighter too. My hair is not as bright as usual because I went swimming a lot this summer, and even with all my precautions, the chlorine did stain my hair, unfortunately. But it's still brighter than it looked like earlier today. Yay, QuickSilverHair for the win again. If you want to see exactly what caused all of this in the first place, click right here to see my previous video and learn what not to do when you're testing new products on your naturally silver hair. I'll see you over there. Thanks.